Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change nickname on Google Assistant on Android. So here you can start by opening the Google apps on your Android device and then click on your photo at the top right corner. Go to settings in here and then tap on the Google Assistant. So on the Google Assistant settings, you can just scroll down in here until you find the nickname options. This one. Tap on that. So nickname is what should the assistant call you. You can see this is my current nickname. Here you can change it by clicking on this pencil icon. For example, I'm going to change it into beautiful. Click on OK. Now you can hear or preview the how it sounds first.
Beautiful.
You can also use to spell it out. For example, here, beautiful. Okay, you can just do it like so.
Beautiful.
Or you can also record on your own to teach how the assistant can pronounce your name. So I'm going to just use default. Now you can just go back and the nickname will be changed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.